around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our place is a very short interview by the Blazers. They'll be playing drums beaten by Mulay to the reading of Africa's unity. Let's welcome the Blazers. Thanks again. This speech by not recognizing the different people that come from different sectors of society, the gentlemen of the media, different members of staff of National Assembly, the names and others. I will see the list of our these when I get around 4:30.
Democratic government. Senator Kingibe.
Hollow Maze. Parliamentary advocacy and journalism redefined.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for the honor of attending First Lady. Next, we'll invite also another getting the Special Recognition Award, none other than High Chief Barrister Emeka.
Senator representing myself, engineer who studied at the University of School. Senator representing Capital Territory. Senator, she is the senator.
Yeah, what is it?
Good to see you. Congratulations.
Okay.
Best, yeah, we're good.
All right. All right, congratulations on your recognition and award. Now, what does this award mean to you personally?
Personally, it means I feel reaffirmed, verified, because it's set out MTN, just random people, and that's how they got to pick the award. So I've been feeling like being a senator of the FCT is almost like a waste of time. But this award shows that the people know that I advocate for them, I speak up for them, I'm aware of what my constituents need, and I say that makes me.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am. But
Okay,
I represent Abia South, the Imperial District. And I'm one of the nominees for the South.
how does it feel to be one of the nominees today?
Well, I feel great and thank you. I think it's something that all of us work for. And, I don't feel any special about to think.
Okay, so one last question. We know today is the National Legislative Award 2023. What does this mean for Nigeria at large?
Well, I think that most Nigerians don't really understand what we do as legislators. So this helps to expand the knowledge of what legislative work is all about. And I think that this contributes to the body of knowledge that Nigerians have.
All right.
Yes, so thank you for this.
Thank you very much.
All right, sir, please, one more question, sir. Today, the Senate deliberated on the state police. So, what is your input, your personal input?
No, we didn't deliberate on state police.
But what is your input on that state police?
I have already said something. On the day that the state police was discussed and the amendment of the constitution was done, and I said the exigencies of the time dictated that we must now decentralize the police. But with the, I would say, provision that we make sure that it is not utilized in the wrong manner.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I think our team of that could be but I thank you for the people of Anton, the people for
Amazing. So how does it feel to be here today celebrating the legislative week?
Mixed feeling. First, I feel quite elated. I feel quite honored to have been so distinguished, that so selected, that been so voted for the application of the much that God has enabled us to do. And I'm not also very happy because over the time, it is very obvious that our parliament have not done very well. Parliament everywhere in the world are supposed to be gatekeepers of democracy. But what we have found out over time with the Parliament of Nigeria, I am not sure that a few persons will honestly say we are doing very well. Others can say yes, we are doing well. If you want to measure performance of a parliament, I do not believe and think that it should be based on the number of motions or the number of bills that have been proposed, but on the level of impact such interventions have made in the life of people. If it is a working parliament, some of the things that we are beginning to discuss in this country today will be discussed, because parliament will have found a way to oversight effectively and probably seal the good from the bad. So I would appeal to my colleagues to begin to rise up to the occasion. Stand up for whatever is right. Take their full responsibilities seriously. Probably some of the things they do will be from pressure emanating from consequence. We understand, but we try and do the things that we ought to do according.
Honorable sir, do you think that this state police can actually solve the issue of Nigerian insecurity?
State police or no state police, the basics has to be set right.
Yes, sir.
You and I know the problem of the police.
Yes, sir.
If you go back into history, you know where and how it started. State police or no state police, get the basics done. People are afraid, as of today, that the state police could be captured by those who will control it. And I ask the question, is the federal police captured? Their case is as good as mine. So if A is equal to C, you can solve for B. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How can you describe the secret? Just because this is fulfilling. Because I know the other speaker put a lot of us ensuring that the right things are done in the country. That's it. It was enhancing the development of the state. So, this is fulfilling.
Okay.
Are you surprised that he got this award, sir? No, not surprised. I know that if you are to rate him in the whole nation, he's going to reign between the first time.
Your Excellency, are you assuring us that once the bill to the state police is transferred to the state self-assembly, that is okay? So what is your thought about state police?
Well, that is not a thinking for here. That's a thinking for the hallowed chamber of Majesty. Thank you.
From around the nation to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.